Good morning, YouTube. I'm making a quick video on how to change engine air filter for a G01 2020 BMW X3. This is with the 2.0 inline turbo engine. Anyways, I just want to start out by saying this is probably the hardest air filter change on any vehicles I've ever owned, and I've owned quite a few. Okay, let's start out by step one is you don't need to touch this black plastic piece right here. However, you will need to remove this brace, okay? This requires a 16mm socket, okay? You'll need to loosen up the bolt completely, okay? Back here is an 18mm socket, so you need to loosen that up. You don't have to take the whole thing out, but just loosen it up enough so that you can swing the brace out of the way. Okay, now coming down here, there are 6 screws holding down the cover. Okay, however, to get to this one back here, you have to remove this, I believe it's a mass airflow sensor connection. And to do this, you need to insert something like this, a small screwdriver. Okay, there you go, put it there. And then push it towards the engine firewall. There you go. Okay, you see how that white portion went that way? Okay. Now that happens, you'll grab this, push down on that tab, and pull it out. Okay. Now you'll have access to this screw right here. Okay. Now the most difficult screw is down here. See if I can get it. There it is. You can see it right there where the light is shining, okay? And you'll need, because of where it is sitting, you'll need a flex driver. I'm using this is a T25 bit, okay? Sorry, it's a little blurry, but you'll need a flexible handle of some type because you have to angle it through here, all right? And that's it. You remove those 6 screws and you lift the cover, just like any other car. You lift the cover and slide, remove the old filter and slip in the new filter. And this is a picture of the old filter that was original on the car from factory. Pretty dirty. Anyways, yeah, I apologize. I didn't even think about making this video until I finished changing the filter. But I figured, you know what? I hope this could help, you folks out there. So good luck with your with this DIY. Thanks. Bye.